Ever pondered how something as simple as black pepper can address common health issues? Well, the answer lies in its rich nutritional profile. Packed with antioxidants and bursting with anti-inflammatory properties, black pepper is a spice powerhouse that can combat a range of health concerns from indigestion to coughs. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of black pepper tea. Simply boil a cup of water, add a pinch of ground black pepper, and allow it to steep for 5 minutes. This invigorating beverage aids digestion, boosts immunity, and even aids in weight loss. Not a bad way to kickstart your day, right? Got a persistent cough that's causing sleepless nights? Try a black pepper and honey remedy. Combine a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper with 2 tablespoons of honey in a cup of warm water. Stir well and sip slowly. The spicy kick of black pepper helps loosen phlegm, while honey soothes the throat. Now that's a comforting remedy. Think black pepper is just for savory dishes? Think again. A pinch of black pepper in a glass of turmeric milk can boost its absorption and anti-inflammatory benefits. Just heat a cup of milk, stir in a half teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Enjoy it warm before bedtime for a healthful nightcap. Black pepper isn't just a spice rack staple. It's a versatile ingredient packed with health benefits. From aiding digestion with a simple cup of black pepper tea to soothing coughs with a honey pepper mix. It's a natural remedy that's as delicious as it is effective. Integrating black pepper into your daily meals couldn't be easier. A sprinkle on your morning eggs, a twist in your soup, or a dash in your marinade not only enhances flavor but also boosts nutritional value. But remember, while black pepper is a wonder spice, it's important to use it in moderation. Overdoing it can lead to digestive issues. Always consider your dietary needs and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. In a nutshell, black pepper is a humble spice with mighty benefits. A dash here, a sprinkle there, and you're adding a healthful kick to your meals. So go ahead, experiment with this versatile spice and reap its numerous benefits. Thank you for joining this exploration into the world of black pepper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful journeys into food and health. Stay healthy, keep experimenting in your kitchen, and see you in our next video.